Welcome back to another banger video. Look how many juices we have. It's definitely more than last year. Come on. Das Boot. And we got more juice. We're filling up the Das Boot. I think someone got a Badlands. Someone got a Badlands chug. Come here. Got the Katana. If you guys recognize this is from my pumpkin video. We've been slicing up some juices. And come here. And we got our chef over here cooking up some apple juice. Yes, sir. Making that apple stew. Badlands chug style.
Okay, who's streaming the
Chug.
Go. No.
Keep chugging.
Keep going.
Go. How does he do it? You just drank the fattest bit.
Keep going.
You just got the hardest part out of the way. Keep going.
It's just water.
It's just water with a little bit of apple and sugar.
Over or under 6.5 goals.
And now Connor's going at it.
Oh my god. No, keep going. This is how to throw up.
How do you feel?
Horrible.
You're about over halfway.
Yeah, I gave up.
This is the final stretch.
Oh my god.
Pick that up.
You get that video?
Yes.
Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to throw in the towel for the apple juice. I made it that far.
He made about 75%.
I'll just.
Yeah, there you go. Woo! This man is about to throw up.
There's just too much juice.
Let me just get started here.
No, it's not. You missed.
Bro missed.
That was good though.
Wampa.
Fire! Hey, listen. Oh shoot.
Ooh. Oh nah.
Is it bad?
Yeah. Bro.
What is a wasp nest? I must. No. Run!
After the whole juice graveyard, we have barely even made a dent.
Return fire! Give them everything we got! Oh crap. Oh, somebody got soaked. My shirtless sticky. Sit outside the door with the Das Boot. The second he comes out. I'm all wet! It's sticky! It's in my butt! Get that! Why me?
The rare.
Oh, whoopsie.
Cole, you can't throw him point blank.
Dude. Why did it not pop? Because you're pelting it at me.
Someone.
I'm trash.
What is your opinion on the apple juice party so far? I'm sticky. They're sticky.
You on you! Ah!
What is your opinion on apple juice party?
Apple juice.
I like my apple juice with juice.
Oh, it's my eyes. Oh.
It burns! Oh, they got me! They got the easy pods! Ah! Ah! Huh? Are you good?
Ow.
Stop, we're videotaping.
Look for the cloud silver lining. I got so many diamonds, I ain't even mining. Look at all these checks I can't sign.
Well, we're running out of. Bro, did we drink
The strip of juice is about to get ran over.
Wait, what if it squirts you? Luke, he's gonna shoot you.
Satisfying. Get some burgers on the grill.
No! No! I do not want burgers! No!
Yeah, you put the hot dogs on the grill.
What?
What? Then we got the juices on the grill.
Ah! Ah! The apple just made my booty squirt.
Ah, my eyes. Ah, it burns.
We need the spatula. No, that's gonna actually blow up. No, there's no apple juice left in it. It's completely empty. It's just burning now. Oh!
My phone died right as the ATV was running it over, but we went home, got some trash bags, and we were cleaning up like some good Samaritans.
Go! What are we at?
15 seconds.
Only 15!
Aftermath of his back, he just got pelted. Dang.
I am the victor. I stood there the longest.
Dude, it missed. It missed!
Hey, going home playing the saxophone. Yeah, you know I got a chrome dome. Got a chrome dome. Pull up to the nearest Wendy's, get a frosty. Pull up to Ruth's Chris, and